Dear students, we are studying the chapter Urban Administration. This is the second part of this chapter. In the previous video, we discussed about the municipal corporation and its functions. In this video, we will study about a community protest. So let's start. Dear students, you know that the work in the city is divided into different departments. For example, water department, the garbage collection department to look after gardens, another department to look after roads and sanitation department, etc. The workers working in these departments have their different duties. In the conversation of Yasmin Khala with the children, Jahangir asked Yasmin Khala, where does the garbage that the municipal corporation collects go to? Then Yasmin Khala answered that it is collected by the sanitation department and carried to out of the city. She also told, as you know, you can usually find garbage lying all over the street. Earlier, even our neighborhood used to have garbage lying all over, and if this remains uncollected, it attracts dogs, rats, and flies. Also, people get ill from the smell. At one point, things became so bad that children even stopped playing cricket in the street because their parents were afraid that they would get sick from staying on the streets too long. In this conversation further, Yasmin Khala continued. She told the women were very unhappy about the situation and even came to me for advice. I said I could try and speak with some officer in the department, but I was not sure how long it would take. She is explaining about the time when she was not retired and she was working in the sanitation department. Then the women went to her and asked about the problem. Then she told it was Gangabai. Gangabai, she is explaining about Gangabai, this character, who said that it is the ward councillor who we should go to and protest since we are the ones who elected him. Because you know that ward councillor is an elected person, right, of by the people of that community. She gathered a small group of women and went to his house of ward councillor. They began shouting slogans in front of his house and he came out. Then he came out after listening the slogans and asked them what was wrong, that what happened and why they were shouting and why they were reciting these slogans. Gangabai described the situation in the locality to him. He promised to go with them the next day to meet the commissioner. Commissioner, who is commissioner? Commissioner is the officer of municipal corporation. He asked Gangabai to get a petition signed by all the adults in the locality saying that garbage was not being collected, because this was the problem of this community, that garbage was not being collected by the sanitation department. Then he suggested that taking the local sanitation engineer with them the next day might be a good idea. The sanitation engineer could speak with the commissioner and tell him how bad the situation was. That evening, children ran from house to house for making sure that as many families as possible signed the petition. The next morning, a large group of women and the ward councillor and the sanitation engineer, all the people, went to the municipal corporation office. The commissioner met with this large group and began giving excuses saying that the corporation did not have enough trucks. But Gangabai smartly replied. She said, but you seem to have enough trucks to collect garbage from the rich localities. She explained because she observed that rich localities were very clean and garbage was being collected time to time from the rich localities but not from their locality. So that must have left him lost for words. quipped Jahangir. In this conversation, Jahangir said, yes, he said that he would take care of it immediately, and Gangabai threatened that if it was not done in 2 days, a large group of women would protest in front of the corporation. Said Yasmin Khala. She explained. So did the streets get cleaned? Asked Rehana, who never let things remain unfinished. Well, not within 2 days, and then after another larger and more noisy protest, the sanitation service in this locality became more regular. Wow, this sounds just like a Bollywood film with a happy ending because the problem of the community was completely solved. Now, after reading this extract, what we knew. What was Gangabai protesting about? Gangabai protesting about that garbage was not being collected by the sanitation department from her community, right? So she was protesting for solving this problem. Why do you think Gangabai decided to approach the ward councillor? Because ward councillor is the representative of the people and elected by the people of that community. Clear? So ward councillor being representative of the people is the right person because he is accountable and responsible to the people for their problems. What did Gangabai say when the commissioner said that there were not enough trucks in the city? Gangabai replied that the enough trucks are there for picking or collecting garbage from the rich localities. So she wanted to she wanted to explain that from where and how so many trucks are there for collecting garbage from the rich localities, not for their community. Now, this one. Mala said, wow, this sounds just like a Bollywood film with a happy ending. The children enjoyed hearing Gangabai's story immensely. They had sensed that Gangabai was much loved and respected, and now they understood why. They got up and thanked Khala for answering their questions. And then, before they left, Rehana said, oh, I have one last question, Khala. The two dustbins that we have at home now, are they also Gangabai's idea? Khala began laughing. No, not really. The municipal corporation was the one who suggested that we do this to help keep our streets clean. When we sort out our own garbage, it reduces their work. It means it is good for us because we can sort out our own garbage. So the children thanked Khala and walked back down the street together. It had become quite late and they needed to get back home. For some reason, the street seemed darker than usual. They looked up and then looked at each other, smiling, and ran right back to Khala's house. So, dear students, with the help of this conversation and the story of Gangabai, we can understand and we have understood about the functioning of municipal corporation, that how the particular department works, and if there are some problems of the community people, then how the people can solve their problem by protesting. Now we'll study about city of Surat. The city of Surat had a plague scare in 1994. Surat was one of the dirtiest cities in India. Houses, hotels, restaurants would dump their garbage into the nearest drain or street, which made it very difficult for sweepers to collect and transfer the garbage into selected dumps. So it was very difficult for the sweeper. In addition to this, the municipal corporation did not collect the garbage as often as it should have, and this led to the situation getting worse. Plague spreads through the air and people who have the disease have to be isolated. In Surat, several people lost their lives and over 3 lakh deserted the city. The scare of the plague ensured that the municipal corporation completely cleaned up the city. Surat continues to remain one of the cleanest cities in India. So, this was the short story of Surat. Uh, Now, did you know that your taxes enable the government to provide roads, bridges, parks, street lights, etc. As we have understood by reading this chapter that government collects taxes and this money is used for providing public facilities to the people. Clear? Like roads, bridges, parks, street lights, etc. List three more benefits that the taxes help in funding after discussing with your family. So you can discuss and you can write some more. I can tell you a few benefits, right? That the taxes help in funding. For example, one, in setting up educational institutions, the government uses this tax for education. Clear? Education is being provided to the children, and health means to run the government hospitals. And third one, you can tell some welfare schemes, right, for maintaining or implementation of welfare schemes. So the taxes are used by the government, the money is used by the government for these kinds of other purposes.